Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to copy a link in TikTok videos and profiles. We start by opening the TikTok app. Then we go to the video that we want to copy. Once inside, click on the share icon. Among the options that will appear to share the video, we will look for copy link and click on it. If what we want is to copy the link of a profile, we will first go to this profile. Then we will click on the share icon at the top right. Among the options that appear, we will look for the one to copy link and click on it. We will now have our video or profile link copied and we can paste it into the app we want. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.